In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide product images in WooCommerce. Whether you're working on a specific design, troubleshooting an issue, or simply prefer a clean look without product images on your WooCommerce store, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to make this change quickly and effectively. Don't worry if you're not a developer, this guide is beginner-friendly and requires no coding experience beyond a simple copy and paste, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your favorite browser and navigate to WordPress.com. This is where you'll log into your WordPress account. Make sure you have administrative privileges for your WooCommerce store, as you'll need these permissions to make changes to the site. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials and sign in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step as well. When you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Next, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. This menu is where you'll find all the tools and options you can use to customize your website. Locate the Appearance tab and go ahead and click on it. This will expand a list of additional options related to the design and structure of your site. From here, select Customize. The Customizer is where you'll make visual changes to your site, and it's a powerful tool that lets you see your edits in real time before saving them. Once you're in the WordPress Customizer, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical panel with various options. Scroll down until you find Additional CSS. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a section where you can add custom CSS code to modify your website's appearance. This is where you'll input the code needed to hide your product images. Now, let's get to the actual code. I'll provide you with a simple CSS snippet that will hide all product images in your WooCommerce store. Once you've copied the code, return to your WordPress customizer and paste it into the code editor that appears on your screen. The editor is just a blank box where you can add or edit CSS. With the code pasted in, take a moment to review it. Make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters, as even a tiny error can prevent the code from working properly. After verifying that the code is correct, it's time to save your changes. Look to the top of the Customizer panel, and you'll see a Publish button. Clicking this button will apply your changes to the live version of your website. Once you hit Publish, your product images will no longer be visible on your WooCommerce store. That's it! You've successfully hidden product images in WooCommerce. Feel free to navigate around your site to double-check how everything looks. If you ever want to reverse this change, simply return to the Additional CSS section in the Customizer, delete the code, and click Publish again to restore your images. This flexibility gives you peace of mind knowing you can easily experiment with your site's design. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.